When shopping for replacement windows for your home, do you notice who makes the windows? Sure, you probably know some of the big names like Marvin, Renewal by Andersen, and Pella, but when working with a local remodeling company, do you know who makes their windows? Hi, I'm Rebecca, and welcome back to the Home Solutions channel. In this video, we will outline the importance of knowing who makes your windows, questions to ask a potential contractor about the windows they offer, and how to choose the right replacement windows for you. Why is it important to know who makes your windows? Of all things home remodeling, we know that replacement windows aren't always the most fun project to take on. I mean, think about it. Wouldn't you rather renovate your kitchen or bathroom instead of replacing your windows? But when vetting multiple companies you may work with, it's important to ask who manufactures the windows they install, and here are a few reasons why. Number 1, it establishes trust between you and the company. Trust in a home remodeling company is crucial to the success of your project. Just like in any relationship, without trust, you have nothing. If you ask a company who manufactures your windows, the answer should be simple. Either they manufacture their windows in-house, or they have a partnership with one of multiple window manufacturers they buy their windows from. When asking this question, you will see if the contractor knows the answer like the back of their hand. If they squirm or hesitate to answer or simply say, "I don't know," this is not a good sign at all. Number 2, you can learn more about the windows that would be in your home. One of the biggest benefits of asking who makes your windows is your ability to learn more about them. While the company should be able to answer all your questions and provide you with valuable information about the windows, doing your own research is important, both before and after a consultation. Number 3, you will have confidence in the company you choose to work with. After doing your research on potential replacement windows and knowing what windows a company offers, you can make the best decision for your project. Choosing the right company to work with is one of the most crucial assets to a successful window replacement. 5 questions to ask about who makes your replacement windows. After understanding the importance of knowing who makes your potential replacement windows, you want to know what questions to ask a contractor to better understand your windows. 1. Who makes your windows? One of the first questions you want to ask, if they haven't already told you, is who makes or manufactures their windows. The window replacement company and window manufacturer are two separate entities. While the company may seem like it makes its own windows, asking to clarify is important to better understand the quality of windows they offer. 2. What are the windows made of? Are they made of vinyl, fiberglass, aluminum, or wood? What's the quality of the material? What features do they offer? Understanding what the windows are made of and the quality of the material allows you to better choose the right replacement windows that will meet your needs and hold up in your home. 3. Who makes the glass of these windows? Along with knowing what the windows are made of, knowing who manufactures the glass is equally, if not more, important. Because the glass makes up about 97% of the entire window, knowing the quality of the glass and who makes it allows you to better choose the right window for you. 4. What are the energy ratings of your windows? After understanding who makes the glass in your windows, ask the company what the specific energy ratings of the windows are. Looking at the U factor, solar heat gain coefficient, infrared percentage, and UV percentage allows you to see how energy efficient the windows are and how well they will protect your home from excessive heat and harmful solar rays. For more information on window energy ratings, make sure to check out the video linked above and below. 5. What is the manufacturer's warranty on the windows? Finally, asking a contractor what the window manufacturer's warranty is essential to understanding if the windows will meet your needs. While the window replacement company may advertise a lifetime warranty, the window manufacturer may only offer a 30-year warranty on the frame and a 10-year warranty on the glass. Choosing the right replacement windows for you. Now that you know the importance of knowing who makes your windows and the right questions to ask a contractor about the windows, you are well prepared to find the right company and replacement windows for you. When talking with multiple companies for your project, research and asking questions are your best defense mechanism. Aside from asking who manufactures your windows, what are some other questions you should ask a potential window replacement contractor? Check out the video linked above that outlines 6 questions to ask a contractor during a consultation to ensure you find a trustworthy company to work with and get a window replacement you deserve. We hope you found this information helpful, and if you did, be sure to subscribe to the channel and like this video for more home solutions. Thank you for stopping by the Home Solutions channel, where we want you to have the look you love coming home to.